Curious if the Qinux Klampero is worth your money or just another overhyped gadget? Let's cut through the noise with a real fast insight. So, what is the Qinux Klampero? It's a manual chainsaw sharpener. No batteries, no plug. You clamp it onto your chainsaw bar, twist the handle, and it helps you sharpen each tooth at the right angle. For a beginner, that's actually pretty handy. But here's where things get tricky. The Qinux brand is sold through a web of companies, and their marketing is, well, let's just say it's pushy. You'll see flashy only 50% off for the next 10 minutes. Banners everywhere. In reality, stock probably isn't running out. This is just classic sales pressure. And what about that 14-day guarantee? Technically, you can return it. But there's a big catch. It must be unused in the original box, and you pay for international shipping. That fee can be almost as much as the tool itself. I dug into customer reviews. Think Hello Peter and Trust Index. Ouch. The feedback's rough. People complain about slow shipping, hard-to-reach support, and tricky refunds. You'll likely get your product, so it's not a total scam, but for many, the sales tactics and refund hassle leave a bad taste. As for professional grade, if you're a pro logger, this isn't for you. It's solid for homeowners, DIYers, or anyone who cuts firewood on the weekends. So, is the Qinux Klampero a scam? Not exactly. Is it overhyped? Definitely. If you buy, just know what you're getting, a basic manual tool wrapped up in aggressive marketing. If you're cool with that, it could make sharpening easier for you. But if you hate waiting or think you'll need to return it, maybe look for something sold locally instead.